Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet tissue box cover designs model. A crochet tissue box cover design is a decorative cover that is handmade using crochet stitches to wrap around a regular tissue box. It turns an ordinary tissue box into a beautiful home decor piece while still keeping it practical and easy to use. These covers are often used to add style, softness, and charm to spaces like the living room, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen. Common features of crochet tissue box cover fits a tissue box shape, usually square or rectangular, opening on top, so tissues can be pulled out easily. Decorative patterns such as flowers, lace, bows, hearts, or vintage motifs. Different styles like farmhouse, cottage, vintage, or modern. Made with yarn in colors that match your room decor. Popular design styles: floral design, crochet flowers, roses, or daisies. Vintage lace style for elegant and delicate look. Minimal style, simple textured stitches with solid colors. Why people like it: makes everyday items look beautiful, adds a handmade cozy feel, great for gifts. Matches crochet home decor items like pillow covers, table runners, and baskets. For example, a cream-colored crochet tissue box cover with small flowers gives a lovely country cottage look. Here are some helpful tips for making a beautiful crochet tissue box cover design. Choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn or soft acrylic yarn. Cotton keeps the shape nicely. Acrylic gives a soft, cozy look. Medium weight yarn is easiest for beginners. Measure the tissue box first. Before starting, measure the length, width, height. This helps the cover fit perfectly without being too loose or too tight. The keep top opening lid. Leave a clean opening at the top so tissues pull out easily. A rounded oval or rectangle opening usually looks best. Use textured stitches. Try stitches that add beauty and texture, such as single crochet, double crochet, shell stitch, puff stitch, and bubble stitch. This gives the cover a stylish decorative look. Match your room decor. Choose colors that suits your home style. Use cream, beige, white for farmhouse or vintage style. Pastel pink, blue, shows green for cottage charm. Bold colors for a modern touch. Add decorations. Make it extra pretty with crochet flowers, bows, lace edging, pearl buttons, and tiny leaves. This makes it look more elegant and handmade. Make it easy to remove. Consider adding button closer, ribbon tie, open bottom slip cover style. This makes it easier to replace the tissue box. Pair with matching pieces. For a beautiful coordinated look, make matching tissue box cover, crochet baskets, pillow cover, table runner. This creates a cozy and charming room style. Use a tight stitch for structure. Work with slightly tight tension so the cover holds its shape well and doesn't look loose or saggy. Add a solid base. Create a frame bottom panel using tight stitches like single crochet. This helps the cover sit neatly on the table without folding. Try layered designs. Make your cover more unique by adding layered flowers, tudor leaves, raised patterns. This gives a rich, decorative look. Use color combinations smartly. Instead of one color, try 2 to 3 color combinations. Soft contrast, like cream plus dusty pink, vintage tones. Use shades green plus beige. This adds depth and style. Add edging details. Finish your cover with a beautiful border, like peacock edging for small loops, scalloped edged, lace-style border. It makes the design look complete and elegant. Make it stress-friendly. Use slightly elastic stitches, like half double crochet, so it can fit different tissue box sizes easily. Hide shims neatly. If you join pieces, keep shims at the back and use invisible joining techniques for a clean finish. Add functional handles. You can crochet small side loops, mini handles. This makes it easier to carry and also looks cute. Keep it washable. Choose yarn that is easy to wash. Color fast, so your cover stays fresh and clean with regular use. Experiment with themes. Try themed designs like cottage floral, farmhouse rustic, minimal modern, kids cotton style. This makes your crochet work more creative and fun. Add 3D crochet flowers. Add small roses, daisies, or leaves on corner or around the top opening. This creates a lovely handmade decorative touch. Decorate the edge. Make the edge prettier with scalloped border, peacock trim, lace-style edging. A nice border makes the whole cover look more polished. Add buttons or bows. Small crochet bows or wooden buttons can make it look more stylish and cute. Make matching home accessories. Pair it with matching crochet pieces such as coasters, table runner, flower vase cover, cushion cover. This creates a beautiful coordinated home look. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!